In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check app subscriptions on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Settings. Then at the very top, tap at your name to open up Apple ID, and that's where you can easily find subscriptions. Just tap on it. That will show you the list of all your active and inactive subscriptions on that particular Apple ID. As you can see, I got one active subscription. You can tap at any of your subscriptions to get some additional information about renewal date, for example, and also from here you can tap at cancel subscription to cancel it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.